നമസ്കാരം. ഇന്ത്യൻ നാവികസേനയുടെ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ഏറ്റവും വലിയ സർവേ വെസൽ INS ഇക്ഷക് കൊച്ചി ദക്ഷിണ നാവികസേന ആസ്ഥാനത്ത് നാവികസേനാ മേധാവി അഡ്മിറൽ ദിനേശ് കെ ത്രിപാഠി ഔപചാരികമായി കമ്മീഷൻ ചെയ്തു. വൈസ് അഡ്മിറൽ സമീർ സക്സേന, ഫ്ലാഗ് ഓഫീസർ കമാൻഡിംഗ് ഇൻ ചീഫ്, മുതിർന്ന നാവിക ഉദ്യോഗസ്ഥർ, നാവിക വെറ്ററന്മാർ, കൊൽക്കത്തയിലെ ഗാർഡൻ റീച്ച് ഷിപ്പ് ബിൽഡേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സ് പ്രതിനിധികൾ തുടങ്ങിയവർ ചടങ്ങിൽ പങ്കെടുത്തു. കമ്മീഷനിംഗ് ചടങ്ങിന്റെ ഭാഗമായി സേനാ മേധാവിക്ക് 50 അംഗങ്ങളുടെ ഗാർഡ് ഓഫ് ഓണർ നൽകി ആദരിച്ചു. തുടർന്ന് കപ്പലിന്റെ കമാൻഡിംഗ് ഓഫീസർ ക്യാപ്റ്റൻ ത്രിഭുവൻ സിംഗ് കമ്മീഷനിംഗ് വാറന്റ് വായിച്ചു. ദേശീയഗാനം ആലപിച്ചപ്പോൾ നാവിക പതാകയും കമ്മീഷനിംഗ് പെനന്റും ഉയർത്തി. കപ്പലിന്റെ കമ്മീഷനിംഗ് പ്ലാക്ക് നാവികസേന മേധാവി അനാവരണം ചെയ്തു. ഇക്ഷക് കമ്മീഷനിംഗ് വഴി ഇന്ത്യയുടെ ഹൈഡ്രോഗ്രാഫിക് സർവേ ശേഷിയും ആഭ്യന്തര കപ്പൽ നിർമ്മാണ ശേഷിയും വർദ്ധിച്ചു. രാജ്യത്തിന്റെ സമുദ്ര സുരക്ഷയും നാവിഗേഷൻ സുരക്ഷയും ഉറപ്പാക്കുന്നതിൽ കപ്പൽ നിർണായക പങ്ക് വഹിക്കുമെന്ന് നാവികസേനാ മേധാവി അഡ്മിറൽ ദിനേശ് കെ ത്രിപാഠി വ്യക്തമാക്കി. INS ഇക്ഷക് ഇന്ത്യൻ നാവികസേന, ഇന്ത്യൻ വ്യവസായം, MSME മേഖല എന്നിവയുടെ ഫലപ്രദമായ സഹകരണത്തിന്റെ പ്രതീകമാണെന്നും ഇത് ആത്മനിർഭർ ഭാരത് ദർശനത്തിന്റെ യഥാർത്ഥ പ്രതിഫലനമാണെന്നും നാവികസേനാ മേധാവി പറഞ്ഞു. ഗാർഡൻ റീച്ച് ഷിപ്പ് ബിൽഡേഴ്സ് ആൻഡ് എഞ്ചിനീയേഴ്സ് നിർമ്മിച്ച കപ്പൽ ഹൈഡ്രോഗ്രാഫിക്, ഓഷ്യാനോഗ്രാഫിക് സർവേകൾക്കും ഹെലികോപ്റ്റർ ഓപ്പറേഷനുകൾക്കും അനുയോജ്യമായ ആധുനിക സംവിധാനങ്ങളോടെയാണ് സജ്ജമാക്കിയിരിക്കുന്നത്. കപ്പൽ മാനവീയ സഹായം, ദുരന്ത നിവാരണ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ നിർവഹിക്കാനും ആവശ്യം വന്നാൽ ഹോസ്പിറ്റൽ ഷിപ്പായും സേവനമനുഷ്ഠിക്കാനും കഴിവുള്ളതാണ്. കൂടാതെ INS ഇക്ഷക് വനിതാ നാവികർക്കായി പ്രത്യേക താമസ സൗകര്യം ഒരുക്കിയിട്ടുള്ള ആദ്യ സർവേ വെസൽ ലാർജ് കപ്പലാണ്.
Captain Tribhuvan Singh, Commanding Officer of Ikshak, proud commissioning crew of the ship, officers and men of Southern Naval Command, industry partners, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure to participate in the commissioning ceremony of INS Ikshak, Indian Navy's third indigenously designed and built survey vessel launch. As the 10th platform to be commissioned by the Indian Navy in this year, 2025, Ikshak represents yet another milestone, not only for the Indian Navy, but also for India's shipbuilding enterprise and our national maritime vision. Ladies and gentlemen, the maritime domain today is in a period of profound transformation, driven by geopolitics, technology, and tactics. The seas are witnessing sharper competition for influence, resources, and connectivity. The rise of new technologies, contestations over critical minerals, and evolving patterns of maritime trade are redrawing the strategic map across the oceans. Today, the maritime space around us is increasingly defined by shifting tides and rougher seas that demand steadiness, resolve, and strength. In the words of our Honorable Prime Minister, and I quote, "When the global seas are rough, the world looks for a steady lighthouse. India is well poised to play that role with strength and stability," unquote. The Indian Navy is indeed the embodiment of this vision, a steady and reliable force that inspires confidence, builds partnerships, and upholds the collective good on the oceans. Today, Indian Navy's growing operational capabilities, expanding reach, and extensive cooperative initiatives with like-minded nations underscores India's role as a first responder and preferred security partner in shaping a free, open, and inclusive global commons for the region. It is within this framework that the Indian Navy's survey ships fulfill a mission that is fundamental to the maritime world, both naval and commercial. They make the seas knowable, navigable, and safe. In a sense, they reduce our known unknowns mile after mile with every survey they undertake. today, with intensified focus on seabed mapping for critical minerals and climate-driven change affecting activities both on land and at sea, precise hydrographic data transcends utility. In fact, it becomes a strategic necessity. In that context, survey ships like Ikshak that chart the unknown so that others may navigate with confidence and clarity are not just national assets, they are enablers of safety, connectivity, and maritime cooperation across the region and beyond. To fulfill this role, Ikshak, like her predecessors, Sandhayak and Nirdeshak, is equipped with state-of-the-art hydrographic systems, advanced ocean mapping tools, and a vast array of specialized equipment. Such niche capabilities make these vessels a survey platform of choice, not only for us, but also for our maritime partners across the globe. In the last 1 year alone, our survey ships have rendered hydrographic assistance to Mauritius, Myanmar, and Vietnam, demonstrating India's commitment to shared maritime growth and prosperity across the region. INS Sandhayak, the lead ship of this class, commissioned on 3rd February last year by Honorable Raksha Mantri, has recently completed an important deployment to Singapore, the Philippines, Indonesia, and Malaysia, showcasing Indian Navy's hydrographic and shipbuilding capabilities. I would say with much pride that our Navy's survey ships and our hydrographic cooperation have been a true operational embodiment of the vision articulated by our Honorable Prime Minister earlier this year, that is Mahasagar, mutual and holistic advancement of security and growth across regions. Even as our ships extend our national vision outwards, the strength they carry is deeply rooted in domestic capability and self-reliance, in India's ability to design, build, and deliver such platforms with confidence and conviction. It was pleasing to hear our Honorable Raksha Mantri, Shri Rajnath Singh, who stated during the recently concluded Commanders Conference just about 2 weeks back, and I quote, "Our Navy has become a pioneer in India's self-reliance, innovation, and industrial development," unquote. As you would know, the Indian Navy has fully transitioned from a biased Navy to a builder's Navy some years back. With every ship being commissioned, we are taking the vision of Atmanirbharta deeper to the component and sub-component level. As a result, the ships being commissioned, be it the most advanced P-17 Alpha frigates, shallow water ASW craft, or survey vessel Ishak, they all carry around 80% indigenous content. This is a testament of Indian Navy's commitment to Atmanirbharta in action. Each of these ships' journey from design to commissioning reflects seamless synergy between the Indian Navy, shipyards, and our expanding diverse industrial ecosystem, including MSMEs and our industry partners. It is this deep-rooted spirit of Atmanirbharta and seamless synergy that empowers us to learn on the move, continuously evolve our designs and capabilities, and refine our processes, enabling us to deliver world-class platforms where improvement is not an event but a relentless pursuit. I am happy to know of completion of the acceptance trials of the entire hydrographic suite of Ikshak and proving of the network digital data acquisition and processing system to ensure that the ship is roll-worthy from today onwards, from the day of commissioning. Design upgrades to augment her crew accommodation facilities for women officers and sailors are reflective of our collective commitment and resolve to iterate and improve across every stage from design to delivery to commissioning. I would like to congratulate CMD of GRSE, Commodore Hari, his entire management team, all the workers of GRSE who came together to not just build a world-class ship, but also to set new benchmark of excellence in Indian shipbuilding. To our designers, overseers, and all the stakeholders involved in the construction and trials of Ikshak, your seamless coordination with the shipbuilders, adherence to standards, and sustained pursuit of excellence has contributed immeasurably to the ship's timely and quality construction. To the commanding officer and commissioning crew of Ikshak, a proud responsibility rests on your shoulders to breathe life into the ship, to shape her traditions, and to forge her character. You would need to weave the steel and systems together with your sweat and spirit to create her soul, a huge responsibility. I am confident that you will live up to Ishak's motto, Nirbhay, Veer, Path Pradarshak, by being fearless in spirit, courageous in action, and steadfast in guiding seafarers' safety across the oceans. I wish you all well, fair winds, following seas, and happy surveying. Finally, extend my best wishes to Southern Naval Command, which today is bolstered by the addition of another highly capable, specialized, yet versatile asset under its charge. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind, Shano Varun.